one thing I want to tell you about Matiang'i. Mungro no mungain. He was born an intelligent guy, and we are proud of him. You remember one day not metao colleagues, not three legas when President Jens. And he delivered each and every development here together to Mugambi na delivered. Oli nakabwate is executive. We na bwate abantu abangaina byo kansana barabo. Kansana barabo abantu abangaina. Now bawo chumutenga, if you do this, you will mess this. If you don't do this, you will ekiagara. We should go by election ya aba. You didn't see him like you. Don't you come on radio ka. Ikazenga. Anto ito nchalabariti abara ragera. But you went only once, and amangana ka change. If chibese go senga abantu bale ko taka ko change ebintu gwetera se kwerende Matiang'i. Kwerende anko obogambi bolimbu achieta se chibese cheki. Lakini Matiang'i no mungaini. And for your information, moralia ototo. Kero muntu na bwate mwabo. True or false?
Enawega.
Abagara mbabwate mwabo, abasigisi mbabwate mwabo, abagusi
Baganero twara mwabo.
It is a wake up call that naintu Matiang'i oyo igotogo como support na como konya asinge njonga como konya identify the right leaders. Whether I know he's doing his own research because of the capacity of what na what nere egekundi wose in fact na what research research nera begete ground ne kinga sana and I'm telling you for fact lero iga Matiang'i onyore ngare anyamiro chirehe kagwimenere po karo mwana musini ni munyaruka origereri senator no mumura egabana no mugaka omonyina ayugeti aliga akorege abantu abate aburi arrest none bibingo tebenga nakire buyaso yotie kirikomanya bona youths which yale ko ya kibao mbele bakaji korangiria aba youth into we feel okay akeroto gutwara aba representatives bagenda bagamba igenti kiyachicha twagi observe as long as we know we are well represented or we are represented. A youth cannot run away oisokurigirira na wana matanga yabe abagambi abachorere emyaka ye guchigoro mbali go chamatanga. Why? They have not delivered and overwhelmed because mama yeti ko manage aba mama yeti nki bachorere bakaitenga bachorete bachikoraga obachorete bachiko represent aba. So Matiang'i na wate na chiko security structure na wate structure ego chiko identify the right people bachiko represent egangeiga.